Hello everyone. Many of you have been reaching out to me asking whether you have to apply through round 1, round 2 or round 3 to the PGPX program in IMA. I thought I'll share my 2 cents. Though there are no direct implications from the institute side to anyone who applies through any of these rounds, there are no advantages or disadvantages. It happens to be there are few slight edges to some of these rounds. Let's discuss each one. The first one I would like to talk about is round 1. So round 1 is ideal for anyone who already has a qualifying test score, say GMAT score or GRE score already, and if you were contemplating when to apply, I would say go for round 1. Also, those who are anyways hitting above 650, 660 in ranges like that in your GMAT score, and you're really not very decisive about when to take your GMAT, it might be in you say August or September, it wouldn't make much of a difference, then I would say choose to take it, just take the plunge, take your GMAT in July end or August to apply through round 1. What is the advantage of it? You finish the admission process pretty soon and you have enough time to prepare mentally at your workplace or with all your personal commitments before you actually join the program and hit the college. That gives you a lot of mental peace and time to prepare for everything. So that is one advantage. The second advantage, in our batch, some of the folks, I don't know if it is official by IMA, but it happens so that people who applied in round 1 and did not get selected actually applied in the same year's round 2 with pretty much the same score. They actually altered their approach to the interview and application and all a little bit, and they got in through round 2 last year. So I would say if you can, there is no harm, try and push to apply through round 1. Okay, now if you have just started your preparation journey or you think you're not yet there ready for GMAT, I'll tell you we never generally get ready, but if you really think you're struggling to make it and you think you can do a lot better in the next 1 month, I mean, think about it. If you had not done in the past few months, what can you do really better in this 1 month to increase your score magically? If there is something you think, or you can put in a lot of time in this 1 month or 2 months extra, then there is no harm in applying through round 2 or round 3. They are equally advantageous, just that you won't get this head start of a time after your selection if you get selected, right? So I applied through round 2 and I got through the program. So I think it doesn't give you any advantage or any disadvantage to be in any of these rounds. So if you think you can do better, then I would say wait for round 2 and apply. Now many people have doubts regarding test center based GMAT or you take the GMAT from home. I know there are pros and cons to both of it, especially when you take from home. There are problems like your internet connection and being sure of if everything will be set in place, no distractions at home and all of that. So if you think you can ensure all of that, just buy a whiteboard, start practicing your rough work from now on your whiteboards, because we don't know how this is entirely going to span out. So I would say take your GMAT from home, just be prepared for it beforehand rather than being afraid of it and waiting for it. So if these things work out, your application should be completely fine. And one advantage about IMA is while you're applying, you need not submit your essays. You're going to submit them only after you get shortlisted for the interview. So now it is just your test score and they're actually exempting you from the test score also. I wouldn't say take that waiver. I would say be done with your GMAT journey before you start your application process. I say this mainly because we have very limited time in our hands, especially most of us are working, we have work at home personally. So when you have limited time in your hand, focus the entire time without getting letting any of the application process related worries in your head, because you have enough time to apply. So focus your entire time, energy and mind space on taking that test right now, ace it, and then I would say focus on the application part. So if you don't have a test yet, focus on the test completely. If you already have a test score, then go for round one. All the very best. Reach out if you need some help.